When participating in a triathlon, it is so essential to think about the gear that you have.
Because there are 3 different events: swimming, cycling, and running. You should have appropriate triathlon gear to fit your competitive needs.
It is required for participating athletes to complete all 3 events, beginning with the swimming. Cycling is second, followed by running.
The participant with the shortest time possible wins. To get that amazing time, triathletes need to be in great physical shape.
It takes physical stamina and speed to just complete the race. Competing for the best time is a totally different level of fitness.
Besides being in the best physical shape, it is important for a triathlete to use the right triathlon gear. When the right gear is used, time can be shaved off the results.
If you are planning on succeeding in a triathlon, or seriously competing, it is an important step to invest in triathlon gear.
If you are new to buying triathlon gear, you may be a little confused on what is the best to purchase. There are various brands available and are often marketed as the best.
However, you shouldn't just look at the brand to determine quality. Depending on what your specific needs are, you may want to go with a different brand.
Some types of gear fit better for certain body types. You will want to take that into consideration as you decide to make a purchase.
When purchasing triathlon gear, you will want to have the 3 events in mind: swimming, biking, and running. You will need gear for each of these sports.
For swimming, you will need goggles, a swimming suit, and a wetsuit.
If you are a beginner, you may not want to invest in something like a wetsuit, but if you are the competitive type, having the right equipment and gear will shave off time.
When you consider swimming gear that has minimal resistance, it is no wonder why these items are purchased for better results.
For cycling, you will need a bicycle, helmet, clothing, cycling shoes, aero bars, seat, and pedals. Try to find the best air-resistant or aerodynamic gear, if possible.
This will knock off some crucial seconds. Having a good quality bike is also important.
But it is more important that you are trained on the bicycle you are using, regardless what kind it is.
For the running leg of the race, you will need appropriate shoes and clothing.
Having the right gear for this is essential, especially the right running shoes.
Make sure that you break your shoes in before the race. This will prevent blisters, sores, and injuries.
It is important for you to consider the proper triathlon gear for each event.
And to practice with it before the actual event to ensure better time results, and also better comfort and safety.